Greedy Cat is Hungry by Joy Cowley. Illustrated by Robin Belton. Greedy Cat sat on the mat by the fridge. Meow, meow, meow. "No," said Dad. "You are a greedy cat." Greedy Cat sat on the mat by the fridge. He sat and sat and sat. Meow, meow, meow. Mum looked at Greedy Cat. "No," she said, "you are a greedy cat. Go away." Greedy Cat jumped on the table. "Meow, meow." "Go away," said Mum. "You are a greedy cat, and you are far too fat." Katy looked at Greedy Cat. "You are not a greedy cat," she said. "You are a hungry cat. Here are some sausages for you." "Oh, Katy," said Mum, "the sausages are not for Greedy Cat."